to my channel, and by the title you guys already know what we're going to do today. And I'm so excited for today's video because I've been waiting on these things, my equipment, for some time, and it's been a week, and I give them props because coming from Wish, I went on Wish, and you know, I knew like if I made another account then I can get like a first purchase discount. So I was like, okay, let me just search for the lights and everything, and guess like, and I saw these two umbrellas. Like they came, like each part came with their what they supposed to need, like the lights, the starter kit, the lights, the light stand, the umbrella, and the swivel. I don't know how to say if it's that what is called, the swivel. And I got two of them for under $30. It was 27. How much I got it for? So I made an account under my boyfriend account. I just made him account, and I put in the promo code, and it took out $40. The original was $30 plus shipping, $12. They shipping be very expensive, and then it came up to $27.30. So right now they are on, and like they make a lot of difference to me. I feel like, because with the natural light, like I have natural good light, but it keeps going on and off, and plus I would need a light too, you know, at night as well, because my yellow light, like from my room, like is like a yellow shade on you, and I don't like that. So I just bought these two, and for $27, like they're good. I want to buy the black aluminum, so a lot of the light that's like coming through the umbrella, like I'm losing some light. So the black one with the aluminum inside will keep like all the light inside and make sure no light escape. And I don't know if you guys want to see, like I'm just gonna record to tell you how it looks. And I'm gonna show you like how it would look without the lights and with the lights. And plus I kind of, you know, mess with my camera with the ISO and then the exposure too, so that helps as well. The light came with the swivel, like this part, and then the stand, and then the umbrella. So that's two. The light, swivel, the umbrella, and everything. And then here goes my camera facing. Okay, so let me show you guys how it look on Wish. Like that's how it look on Wish and everything. And this product, I'm surprised that it came in a week, because I was like amazed, because I think whoever is this the deliverer, the sender, or whatever it is called, like they used whatever. So, and it's like a week this thing brought to me, so I was kind of like shocked when this came in a week. And I know Wish like is known for like they're improving, which is like before it was a month, but now they're improving to be 2 weeks. But this is like crazy, especially these lights. I was been waiting. I was like, oh, it's taking so long and everything, and I'm so happy. And plus this is a day early too. I was supposed to get, actually today, like they were supposed to come in today, but they came in yesterday. So I was stoked and everything, and I set them up this morning, and it's great. So I'm gonna show you how it look without the lights and with the lights. So right now this is the lights, and I'm going to turn it off. This is without the lights, the umbrella lights, the two umbrella lights. And I will show you how it would look if I had my light from my room. And this is the light, like the natural light from my room and everything. Like no difference whatsoever. Like no. Let's turn these umbrellas on, because I'm not feeling this. Okay, there you go. And I'm so happy for like with these, especially was under $30 for two. What a bundle. So I will leave the link in the description. And as for my background, I got it from this store called 5 and Below, and there was only $2. I mean, there was only $1, and I got these two as well, like a bluish greenish, well on The screen shows blue, so I got like pink and blue, and there was for $1 each. Each one of these are for $1 each, and I got them from Five and Below. And I think I'm gonna get like more colors as well. The camera that I'm using is a Sony 5000 Alpha 5000, and it's great for vlogging. It's great for videoing, like for YouTube and everything. It's just something that you want to start off, and I got it for like 350, I believe. The package was great, and I'm gonna show you how, like with everything, how it came and everything, what came with it. So the light came with the swivel, like this part, and then the stand, and then the umbrella. So that's two. The light swivel, the umbrella, and everything. And then here goes my camera facing. So you guys better get this, because I know a lot of people who only get one for like $38 for this right here. If you create your account right now on Wish and use my promo code, I'm gonna use my promo code download, so you get 50% off your your first thing. You get these things for under like less than $30. Okay, so guys, use that. Like, get your lights if you want to like make sure you looking great, looking good, and like you want lights. Umbrella lights is for cheap. Like I said, use my use my promo code, go on Wish, create your account, and get your lights. Okay, thank you. That was it for the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below what else do you want to see. You know what I'm saying? Because you guys do not talk. I need some active members up in here. Okay. So, and again, like, I'm so happy with them, and like so thank you for watching. Subscribe, guys. If you want somebody that will do wigs review, I'm your girl. If you want somebody who can like do a reaction videos, I'm your girl. If you want somebody that can do pranks video, girl, boy, I'm your girl. So y'all need to subscribe, because this channel is unlimited. And I need you guys to check my Instagram, DM me, okay, and tell me what you guys want to see, okay, because without you guys, there's no way this YouTube channel will work. You know what I'm saying? So thank you for watching. Hope you guys having a blessed day. Deuces.